And so just...
I can walk out to it.
Nah, no, I'll come to you. It's okay to drag the tail like that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not heavy enough to do any damage.
Oh, this thing's easy.
Hey, if I fly it, it better be easy.
This is a backwards plane. This is a plane you can make go backwards.
Yeah.
Is it incidence or motor or thrust angle? That could be your thrust angle.
I've got a radical amount of down thrust on it.
Oh, okay, so it's got to be the incidence then.
And I was playing around with the incidence, and I must have passed the sweet spot.
Okay.
I went back and then lowered it by like half a degree, and it got a lot better.
Okay.
But I still got to do more with it.
All right, so tell me, walk me through what you want me to do.
Yeah, just come in on the runway and you can play around with it and just see.
I'm liking the slow flight characteristics. It's great.
Just do anything that looks interesting.
Okay.
Like making it fly backwards or sideways.
Yeah, with the wind, it needs a little more wind to go backwards. Let's go a little closer. I'll get pretty close too, if you don't mind. I like this kind of plane. You can do a lot of stuff with it.
You know, it really has grown on me. It's like flying a balloon or a kite.
Yep.
It's pretty much my speed. And despite having crashed it 67 times.
Still flies good. It's not bad.
Well, yeah.
I mean, I
hate that formula where the more you crash it, the better it flies.
That's weird, isn't it?
That's very cool.
They fly better with glue, right?
Well, each time I learned a little bit more.
Yeah.
And there you go. Bring the nose up and just ever so much throttle, and it should just sort of
just wall us there, yeah.
Yeah. This is the balloon stage.
Right. Is the gyro? Does it have the? Does this one have a? Oh, not that way. Let's go that way. Must have hit some different air. Did something funky there. No, you don't have a dial.
Back.
Yeah, I noticed that. With this kind of plane, I don't fight it. I just go with it.
Yeah. See, at 29 ounces, it'll get pushed around really easily.
All right. That's all it is?
Yeah.
Well, that's nothing. Yeah.
Well, it used to be 23.
That's barely over a pound.
Yeah, and almost a full 6 square feet of wing, too.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, let's get closer. I'm going to get lower. Hard thing is it always wants to climb, so.
Yeah.
I got to get down.
So one last thing I have yet to sort out. And the stabilizer has been successful enough, I might even decrease the heat.
Okay.
But I don't know if I'm really ready to start crashing it again.
Yeah.
You can try opposing the controls. In the wind, sometimes you can get it to fly sideways.
Okay, I'm trying that. It's just it starts whipping itself around, and I don't want to fight it because I don't know how to pull out of it. And I'm trying to figure out the wind is a little cross right now. It's like an indicator. It tells you where the wind is. Yeah, see how it's off to the side of the runway?
Yeah, on a cross-control break-off, you just goose it, and it takes about half a second or so.
Okay, it comes back.
Yeah, it's pretty forgiving.
Ray, how much more time do you have?
I have no clue.
What?
I've been barely using any throttle, so...
Okay, I'm going to go with the F4, okay?
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I think we might have gotten enough.
Yeah, one more time around, and that'll do it.
Okay. Only thing I can think of is down trim.
One more time.
Yep. I'm going to go a little faster so I can get closer. It's got plenty of power. Just, you know.
Alright.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'll come in right behind them.
Okay. Yeah, like I don't come up typically with these jet guys because this is just a navigational hazard
and
for
it's you kind of gravitate to it, you know. Wow, the wind really takes it. And I just hit some turbulence, so I got to go around. Come in with a, go ahead. Just need some down trim, if anything. I'm gonna put a little down in. Help it come in. All right, I gotta land, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I gotta come in. There we go. I think a lot of that's just trim. Let's keep it off the ground a little ways, and then come in right here. There we go.
perfection.
There we go. Cool.
Thank you, Ray.
That's something different. Change of pace.
Yeah. I'm such a crummy pilot. This plane.
I don't think you're. You know, I think a lot of the issues you might be having are trim related. Because